Hello students, welcome in economics class 11. Today in this class chapter 4 part 2 poverty. Okay, under to poverty, how are poor people identified? Means how we will know these people are poor. It's under to identification. You know, people who unable to fulfill their basic and fundamental needs, those people will come under to poor. Okay, and means people who unable to get, who unable to take proper education, proper nourishment, proper food, nutrition, and unable to wearing proper clothes, those people will come under to poor. And means poor people identified by the percentage of their income. Means what is the percentage of their income. After independence, Dada Bhai Nehruji also have said that all the populations means 3/4 people being poor in India, and means total population whatever means all over the world 320 million people were poor that time in the calculation of 1973 and 74. Okay, after that it become fall down 22%. Okay, means in this way poor peoples means who are wandering searching the food and they were dying by the starvation, those peoples were poor. Under to categorizing poverty, how to categorizing poverty means इसको कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया गया. Churning poor, occasionally poor, usually poor, always poor, means those are category of poor peoples. Okay, under to churning poor means those people who was not always poor, occasionally means like the small farmers and some people who have no proper job. Okay, those will come under to churning poor. Occasionally poor means people who have also not proper job, and those people not poor but due to famine, due to natural disaster, and due to unfortunate thing, those people means having poorness in their life, means their if crops being destroyed, that time also under to that people become occasionally poor. Small farmers and poor will come under to it. After that some people always poor, who always unable to fulfill their proper needs. Okay, those people usually poor also will come. And absolutely poor, जो एकदम से बाहर सड़क पर है, जिसके पास कुछ भी नहीं है, वो भी उसकी कैटेगरी में आते हैं. ओके, the poverty line means one way of consumption, whatever their production, according to that poverty line being declared. Means what is the calorie percentage of urban area and rural area. Means for the rural area it's given 2100 calorie, and for the urban area 2400 calorie. Means their nutrition diet it's given under to poverty line. And for the progress per capita income also can estimated of the poverty line, means per capita income 673 for the rural areas people's per capita income, and 860 rupees for the urban areas people's per capita income. Okay, means in this way monthly per capita income whatever of that area, it's also estimated of poverty line. Okay, next the number of poor in India. Under to it means whatever calculation census have done, means which declared the how many peoples poor in India. Okay, under to it, due to various, it's called also means count of head ratio. Count of head ratio, the total population of poor peoples under to its if estimated, and those peoples will come under to poor peoples. Means what causes of poverty? Poverty causes if peoples unable to got good education and proper nourishment, then those peoples will come under to poor, because they will be unable to earn much more. Okay, so by the National Sample Survey, NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization, its estimated number of poor peoples, means in whole over the world 320 million peoples were poor in 1973-74. After that, next census, 2010 and 11. According to that, those peoples means become 270 millions. 22%, peoples means become fallen. That's calculation. People's improving in their conditions. Okay, and under to this, causes of poverty, a lot of people's, a lot of causes under to that. Unemployment, overpopulation, means unable to get proper education, means these things much more responsible. Social exclusion, social inequality, these things also responsible for the poverty, under two causes of poverty. Okay, after independence, government had a lot of started 5-year plans. Under to first 5-year plan 1951 to 56, means people's whatever main target is that whatever inequality and opportunity of their division and description of their property, means कुछ लोगों के पास ज़्यादा प्रॉपर्टी है, कुछ लोगों के पास कम. This inequality also how to improve. These schemes launches, and a lot of also schemes they have launched for improving the condition of poor peoples. Under to second 5-year plan, whatever 1956 to 61, its main object is also, means the benefit of economical development should be increase more and more for improving the condition of Indians poor. Okay, and the third 5-year plan 1961 to 66, means government has launched a lot of schemes, a lot of plans for improving the conditions and for improving the land surface, cultivative land areas. Okay, means government want to improve the condition of poor, and they have also means done a lot of work in society for the education and for improving the condition of agriculture also. Okay, after independence, for elevation of the poverty, a lot of policies and program schemes government have launched one by one. Okay, means self-employment programs. First, self-employment means if anyone will do for the earning self himself, as any business if he will do, any work he will do, means become self-employed, means without doing the work of under to anyone, if any person will do himself, that is self-employment. It also will help much more for improving the poverty. For this program, government have given much more excuses in the loans, banking, by the bank account people can take loans, means they can pay it with interest after getting profit. Okay, next one REGP means Rural Employment Guarantee Program. It's also launched by the government for improving the condition of rural peoples. मीन्स ग्रामीणांचल में लोगों के पास काम की तलाश रहती है, वहाँ पे लोगों को रोजगार के लिए बढ़ावा देना, छोटे छोटे कुटीर उद्योगों को बढ़ावा देने के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने ये स्कीम लॉन्च की। नेक्स्ट वन प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना PMRY। प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना अंडर टू इट आल्सो गवर्नमेंट हैव गिवन मच मोर एक्सक्यूजेस रिलैक्सेशन for doing their self-employment. Okay, means people can be employed themselves. Next one Swर्ण Jayanti, you know, रोजगार योजना, शहरी योजना. It's for the urban areas. Under to it, the peoples of urban areas also can improve their per capita income. They can also open their small businesses, shops. For means earning. Next one is self-help group. Self-help group SHG. It is also more popular scheme whatever launched by government for improving the condition. It is much more for the women's. मतलब ये जो है ग्रामीणांचल एवं शहरी सभी महिलाओं के लिए ज़्यादा करके बेनिफिशियल रहा है। इसमें 12 कैंडिडेट्स होते हैं जो ग्रुप बना करके अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं और बारी बारी से उसमें से पैसा लोन ले करके बहुत ही लो इंटरेस्ट पे करके अपना रोजगार चलाती हैं। जैसे घरेलू महिलाएं हैं, सिलाई, कढ़ाई, बुनाई, मोमबत्ती बनाने का, पापड़ बनाने का काम इससे बहुत आराम से करती हैं और जिससे उनको बहुत सारा बेनिफिट होता है। इट्स आल्सो इम्प्रूव दियर इकोनॉमिकल कंडीशन। ओके।